Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Edwin here once again with another trading video. And what we're gonna do today, and what we're gonna be going over today, is about pending orders, right? What are the pending orders? Pending orders are those certain buys or sells that you actually place on your trading account, but it just activates when it gets to a certain point, right? So it allows you to just be free. It allows you to be chilling at home, be sleeping, and be making money without you even realizing it, without having to be all day on your laptop or all day on your phone, right? So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright, guys, so we're here, and the first two pending orders that I want to talk about today is going to be buy limits and sell limits. Why? Because these are absolutely my favorite ones, right? And how they work. How do they work? Right? The buy limit, of course, is for a buy. The sell limit, of course, is for a sell, right? Now, I want you to understand that, let's say we have the market, right, going on right here, right? This is the market, blah, blah, blah. Right, going on, and this is the market going on right here. Right now, how does the buy limit works? Let's say I'm going to sleep, right, and I say, okay, whenever this price gets to this low right here, I want to actually place a buy, but I don't know if I'm gonna be sleeping or not. So what this is gonna do is that automatically, as soon as he gets to the point that you put in your Mt4, is gonna activate a buy by itself. You don't have to do anything, right? With, of course, their stop loss and their take profit as well. And what happens is that while you're sleeping, while you're not even paying attention, you can literally enter in the market and be able to make money, right? So it's the same exact thing here. The sell limits is when you come in here and you say, okay, I don't know, I'm kind of tired, I'm gonna go to sleep, but if the market gets to this point again, what I want to do is I want to be able to just sell the market, but I don't know if I'm gonna be up. So all you gotta do is place a sell limit, of course, with your stop loss and your take profit, and whenever the market gets to this point, even if it takes a day, a year, a week, a minute, you're going to be able to see how quickly and right away, automatically, a sell market execution is open right away. You're gonna see how easy and simple it is to actually trade these things. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm actually gonna show you what it will look like on the live market, right? So let's say to use the JPY, right? I'm gonna go to one of the trades that I took yesterday. And let's say we're here, right? Let's say we're here and we say, you know what? I think there's gonna be a trade right here, right? So actually I went to sleep around this time. So okay, I think there's gonna be a trade right here, guys. And honestly, you know what? I think I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm tired. Right? I'm tired today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place my trade right there. My sell limit, right? And I'm gonna say, okay, I'm gonna put a short position because I'm selling, right? Put my stop loss right here, and I put my take profit right here. Now what it's gonna do is that I'm gonna put these numbers right here, 378 as an entry, 454 stop loss, 162 as a take profit. Now I'm sleeping, I'm sleeping, blah blah. It activates my sell. While I was sleeping, activating my sell, and automatically went on profit. Now what happened is that while I'm sleeping, when I wake up, right, on that time, I already woke up and I see that there is already money waiting for me. There's already profit, right? It is that simple, right? And now what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna show you an example of a buy, right? I'm gonna go to another of the trades that I took this week, and I'm gonna go ahead and say, you know what? Like, I'm gonna show you how it really was. I can go here and I can say, the market is going down, right? It broke out of the downtrend, now it's going on an uptrend. And I'm gonna say, you know what? I think that the market is gonna go down quick, right? I think the market is gonna go down and hit this point right here, right? This point of accumulation in the market, right? So what I can do is I can go to sleep, right? And I can say, okay, let me just go ahead and put this as my entry as a buy limit, right? So you're gonna put a long position right here, right? We put a stop loss, we put a take profit, and we're gonna say, okay, what happens? It don't really matter, but I'm gonna be sleeping. So we look at it. Oh, it activated it. It activated it, right? And now, no matter what, I already entered in the trade. No matter if it touches it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times, I already entered the trade, and now I'm on profit, right? Now I can just wake up and say, you know what? This was my entry, but I'm gonna put my stop loss on profit. So now I don't have to risk my trade. Or I can just simply take partials. But it's really that simple. Why? Because it's gonna allow you to just be free. It's gonna allow you to go to sleep whenever you want, wake up whenever you want, and as soon as you set up your trades, your pending orders like a buy limit and sell limit, everything is gonna be fine. And here we are with the last two of the pending orders, guys. Buy stop and sell stop. We already did buy limit and sell limit, right? And it's exactly the same thing, right? They're both used for the same goal, right? The same objective, which is not being on the laptop or your phone 24/7, right? So what are we gonna do now is that imagine you're just waiting to take a trade, and you see the market is still just ranging, right? It's consolidating in this box, and you're like, man, I just feel like once the market just breaks this level right here, I feel like once the market breaks that level, it's gonna go all the way up, right? And what's gonna happen is that you're gonna be there waiting for days, hours, minutes, staying up. But if you place a buy stop at the entry level, once the market gets there, it's going to automatically open a buy for you. It's gonna open a buy market execution position without you even having to be there. Right now with the sell stop, you can already imagine what it is. Once you see a market raging, consolidating, not wanting to break a certain level, then you're gonna say, you know what, I'm tired, I want to go to sleep, like I need to get some sleep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place a pending order right here, right? What pending order I'm gonna place? I'm gonna place a sell stop, which means that once the market reaches this level right here, it's going to open up a sell stop for you. It's gonna open up a market execution sell for you automatically, right? So let's go see some examples on real life, what it will look like, right? So let's go ahead here, right? And let's say, right, I can see that right now, right here, as you see where the market is at right now, where the price is at, right here, the market is just not wanting to break certain level, right? And I'll say, you know what, I think that if the market breaks this level right here, where it's at right now, I think that if the market breaks that level, we can easily just put a sell stop at the entry, which is this number right here, put my stop loss here, and put a take profit down here, and I'll be good. All right, now what happened is that you see the market automatically answers to it, right? You can be sleeping, you can be doing no matter what, the market can automatically just enter the trade without you even having to be in the laptop or your phone. You can literally go on Sunday night, watch all the market for the week, place these pending orders, and make money all the way through the week while you're sleeping. Right now, let's go to another pair. Let's go to USD/JPY. Right? So now, once you're in USD/JPY, you can say something like for example, like right here, right? You can come here and say, okay, the market is being trying to break this point for a while, right? I can say that the market is been trying to break this level multiple times. I can say, you know what? Look at the amount of times that the market has come here and then rebirth and then rebirth again, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go ahead, place an entry right here, because I think that if the market goes all the way up there, all it's gonna do is gonna keep going up. I'm gonna place an entry right there. I'm gonna put a buy long position, put my stop loss right here, take profit right about here. And now what's gonna happen is that I'll just place spray. And once the market, no matter if it came down here, because it just activates once it touches the level. Once the market touched that level, it just kept going up, right? So right there, you could have made money. You could have literally just wake up and say, you know what, I'm gonna take my profits where it's at, or you can literally just let it play out and put your stop loss on profit, right? So it is really that simple, guys. So those were the pending orders, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, once again, just give it a like, subscribe, leave a comment, follow me on social media, share this with someone else that wants the information, guys. So I appreciate y'all. Hope you guys having a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.